I'm here with some more real car driving experience. In my last video, the gate glitched. Yeah, you see my car, you can't see me. Literally, you can't see me. So let's go with this Ferrari. I didn't know. So we're gonna go to the off-road hills. It's glitching. So, here we go. So, here we are, and I flipped almost. So... you literally can't see me. You jumping glitch. Maybe not. So on in my other video, with my race off, I got the supercharged token. The link is not in the description because I don't do stuff. I did the thanks for subs thingy, which you should subscribe to my channel because I only got 4. It's only my family members who subscribed. I'm gonna do off camera. So you need an off-road car, but not as well as the jumping glitch, which still works in the Extreme Car Driving Simulator. So we go up this ramp, and it's possible to get up the thing. It's possible to go up this mountain, which you can see where my car's facing. That's it for today. Bye.